out Cade had my number.
See that bird circling? It may be an osprey because it looks like it may be circling for a fish.
That would be true. We've seen osprey come down to the water and catch them with their talons, you know.
Oh,
You know what I
we saw it just today on the boat ride, right?
I didn't see that happen, but the other day I was over by the shed up there, and a hawk came down. This is a smaller hawk, not a red tail. I think it might have been let's see, what was it? I can't think. Anyhow, he came down. He's a bird hawk. He goes, and he grabbed like a smaller bird. The bird went into the bushes to hide, and that hawk went right in and got him and took away.
Was it a peregrine falcon?
No, it wasn't a peregrine. It was, thinking, it was a smaller hawk, but I can't think of the name right now.
I kept up. I was like,
But
I was in Ryland's room.
it's a hawk that hangs around bird feeders because it knows that the birds are going to be there, and smaller birds. And I was a little sad for the bird that got caught.
Was
But
it a chickadee?
no, it was a bigger bird than that.
Chickadees
I
are
would-
small. So
I
they
know, very
kinda-
small.
They kind of need like a bigger lunch.
Yeah, they do. They need a bigger lunch, but they also need more than just one bird. But you have to be a good hunter. What?
Did you see? Oh, I thought that dragonfly was a hummingbird.
Oh,
Oh, wait.
you said you saw one though at the bush.
Yeah.
The button bush?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Great. Like I was asking, it's kind of weird how you said like all amphibians start out the first part of their life with
in the water?
yeah, because even though mosquitoes and dragonflies are not amphibians, they still start out in the water.
They do. The eggs are laid. Even mosquitoes need to start in water.
Cause like
And I don't want them in, I don't want a bucket in my yard that's going to put a little mosquito mama in there to lay eggs. So I have to dump that.
and like
But I do want but look at all the water that the dragonflies would have, right?
the dragonflies are really good because they eat the mosquitoes.
Oh, that's good. Same as bats. Bats
Yeah.
eat lots of mosquitoes.
And
Yum,
like-
yum, yum.
And like so sometimes termites can be bad. Are you videotaping us?
Do you know what? I've got
No,
a couple.
I'm looking at my phone.
I've got a lot of books on ants. Now to use your mother's words, I'm not a big fan of ants in my house. But they're a very interesting creature.
Because they can hold like they can hold things up like twice their size.
I know. And they have a very interesting social group. Everybody has a job to do.
Their jaw structures are kind of like a praying mantis's.
Oh, I know that. And that some ants bite.
Yeah, like fire ants.
Yeah, but even some of these other ants could give you a little nip. But I don't want them in my house. I don't want them eating my house. But I do have these books that I'll give you about ants. And your mother would not want this, but I do have something that's called Little Ant Farm. And you can watch their tunnels.
Oh yeah, that ant, like
Do you have that at school?
You can have pet ants.
Yeah,
Like
not in my house.
and little ant farm tunnels. Do you have one?
I do have an ant farm. I had it when I was teaching and in the nature center, but not in my house. I don't want an ant farm in my wood.
Dumb crow.
Yeah. They're smart, actually, but they're very noisy and annoying.
And they take
And they-
other birdie birds.
I know, they eat the little baby birds after the mothers have worked so hard to raise those babies, and those crows come and snatch them. That's not fair, but that's nature. Okay, everybody.
Crows and ravens look basically exactly the same.
Kaylee, there's a crow right above you, baby.
They're very smart birds as far as birds go. Not all
Second
birds
and
are
a
intelligent. Did I tell you that most birds don't have a sense of smell? Mm-hmm.
Here comes another one.
And
It's going over there.
so,
One is right on the very top of that tree.
What?
get him! Where's Tim?
Oh wait, he can hunt them?
I feel like this is the first time I've seen crows here.
Oh, no.
No?
Oh.
They're going after. I think they're going
Go
after.
away.
Going after Kaylee.
Them.